Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to get Delta key easy in 2026. So yeah, this is super cool. So I'm going to join a game just so you guys can see that it actually works. And then I'm going to show you guys how to download this. So as you can see guys, right here we have the Delta Executor. It does work. So I'm going to show you guys how to download it. So let's get straight into the video. So as you can see, we got all the settings here. So it's super cool. So I'm going to show you guys how to download it. So as you can see, we got all the settings, so it's super crazy. So I'm going to show you guys how to download it onto your device. So the first thing we're going to do is go with the browser, and actually here's the site. All right, so it's called couponsland.net. So once you're on this site, guys, you will see the Delta Executor key. There's some other stuff too. I'm going to press on it. So now it's going to generate it. Now, due to high traffic, you might have to do a verification at the end. I'm not sure. But as you can see, it's loading right here. So let's just give it a second for this to load up, just so you guys can see. But yeah, this is super cool, guys. So let's just give it a second for this to load. All right. So as you can see, it's loading. All right. And then once it's done, it's just going to say like coupon ready or whatever. So this is the verify thing I was talking about. So I'm going to go ahead and check that off. And it worked, but for you, it might not work. You might have to do it manually. So if that happens, it's normal. But as you can see, we got the code now. So we would put that in and we would have the Delta Executor. So be sure to try this out, guys. It's super cool. But I'm going to see you guys in another video. So be sure to subscribe to the channel because this is super cool, guys. Totally works. So if this video works for you guys, definitely go ahead and share it. It's super crazy. So as you can see, you just put in the key right there and you're going to be all set. So I'm going to see you guys in another video, and peace out.